Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send Cardano, ADA, from Coinbase to Binance in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process is simpler than you might think, but always stay cautious with your assets. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or just moving funds, let's break it down step by step so you can do it confidently. First off, ensure you have verified accounts on both Coinbase and Binance. You'll need some ADA in your Coinbase wallet to get started. Remember, crypto transactions involve fees and potential risks, so double-check everything before proceeding. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account using your credentials. Head to the dashboard and locate your ADA balance. This is where all your assets are listed. Step 2. Click on the Send or Withdraw button next to your ADA. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Make sure you're selecting the correct network. Cardano uses its own blockchain, so choose ADA or the appropriate option to avoid any errors. Step 3. In the recipient field, paste your Binance wallet address for ADA. You can find this by logging into Binance, going to your wallet, and selecting ADA to view the deposit address. Double-check for accuracy, as sending to the wrong address could mean losing your funds forever. Step 4. Enter the amount of ADA you want to send, review the transaction fees, and confirm the details. Coinbase will show you an estimated arrival time, which might take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. Step 5. Once confirmed, monitor the transaction on a blockchain explorer like CardanoScan to track its progress. After it arrives on Binance, check your Binance wallet to ensure the ADA has been credited. A quick tip for 2025. Crypto regulations might change, so always verify the latest guidelines on both platforms. And remember, never share your private keys or recovery phrases. There you have it. That's how you send Cardano from Coinbase to Binance. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.